Hello everyone, this is Sandra from Wallifyer.com and whimsydreamsclipart.com. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create a beautiful fall dinner invitation or Thanksgiving card. This is super easy, so this tutorial is perfect for a beginner. If you like this channel, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss any of my upcoming videos and tutorials. Now let's get started. We start out by going to this button up here, create a design, and search for invitation. Choose this one that is square, 14 by 14 centimeters. First of all, we are going to upload a background to this card. So go to Elements, scroll down, Grids, and choose the color option up here. I'm going for an off-white color. You find the hex code in the description below, like this. Now it's time to add the wreath. We go to Grids again and Uploads. I have already uploaded wreaths, and you find a link in the description to this specific wreath pack that you find in the Whimsy Dreams clip art shop. Of course, you can use whichever clip art you want. But for this tutorial, I'm gonna stick with my Thanksgiving wreaths. So drag the wreath into the grid. Now we move on to adding text to this card. We go to the text option here and find search invitation and choose this free dinner template. Adjust the design, and I want it brown, so just activate the whole thing by clicking on it. Go to the A with the color bar, and I choose a brown color. You find the brown color in the description below as well. Make sure all the text blocks are brown. Of course, you change the dates and things. You just click on the text block itself, and then you can just type something else here, like Monday, like this. And now it's time to download this beauty. We go to download. Make sure you have PDF prints applied. Add crop marks and bleed and download. This is how the final file looks like. With crop marks and bleed, you are sure you can trim the card so there will be no smudgy edges when you print this card at home. If you're printing this card on an online service, make sure they are accepting RGB color mode. I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss any of my upcoming tutorials. And in the description you find a link to our Facebook group where we share tips and tricks and have fun lives and stuff like that regarding design and crafting with Canva. I love to see you there. And if you are super into Canva and want to learn how to create printables for printable products, say for your Etsy shop or crafting, check out my printables class. Look forward to see you in the next video. Bye bye!